Let's take a moment to examine the service panel. Many homes built with older construction have fuse boxes instead of modern service panels. For the purposes of this program, we will focus only on service panels that contain circuit breakers. Because service panels are fed a high voltage of electricity, there's serious potential dangers when working in these areas. We recommend that only a qualified, licensed professional electrician perform work inside a service panel. The service panel is the heart of all your home's power. You can control all electricity entering and passing through your home at this location. Often these panels are called breaker boxes. There are several types of service panels. All differ slightly by manufacturer. You'll find that on all service panels, there is a large breaker or disconnect that is the main shutoff breaker for your home. As a safety measure, putting the main disconnect into the off position will prevent all outside electricity from entering your home. Incoming electrical current from the outside transformer enters your service panel through two thick hot cables, usually colored black or red. These cables lead directly to the main disconnect. Electricity leaving your home will return out to the source on a thick neutral cable. Attached to the main breaker or disconnect are two hot bus bars. In this case, they run vertically down the length of the service panel. Each bus bar is engineered to provide 120 volts of power to the circuit breakers we attach to them.
And just to elaborate a bit on panel locations, main breakers, stuff you see in that video, lots of times the panel is not outside, as it is in this case, and lots of times they're not a combination meter center where you've got the meter and the main and the branch circuits all in one outside the home. In many areas, the panel is actually in the basement or maybe in the garage, and outside of the house you'll see the meter. Then from the meter it goes right to your main panel, through the main breaker, and then to the branch circuits, and that panel could be anywhere really. And also on this example they show a 200 amp, and it's actually a 4-pole breaker. So what that is 200 amp breakers operating in parallel. In lots of cases that's all done through one breaker, 2 poles, and not 4 poles as they show here, and as is the case with that panel.